Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use the template editor in Alight Motion. First, understand that templates are pre-designed project files you can modify. They provide a fantastic foundation, allowing you to achieve professional-looking results without extensive design knowledge. You can easily swap out media, change text, and adjust colors to fit your specific project needs. This method streamlines your workflow, making advanced video editing accessible and efficient for everyone. Finding and importing templates is straightforward. Many creators share their Alight Motion projects online, often as XML or project files. Simply download the template file, then open it directly using the Alight Motion application. The app will automatically import the project, making it available in your My Projects section. Always check the template's requirements, such as specific fonts or plugins, to ensure a smooth import process.
Hey everyone, quick break. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more content. And on another note, just like Alight Motion templates simplify complex video editing, these amazing leak-proof containers simplify your meal prep. They're perfect for keeping your food fresh and organized throughout the week. You can find the link to these fantastic containers, along with other deals, in the description below. Now let's get back to the video.
Once your template is imported, customizing it is the fun part. Select any text layer to change the words, font style, or color to match your brand. For media placeholders, simply tap the layer and choose Replace Media to insert your own photos or video clips. You can also dive into the effects panel to modify existing effects or add new ones, giving your project a unique touch. Experiment with different elements to truly make the template your own. For more advanced customization, explore the timeline to adjust the timing and duration of individual elements. You can move keyframes to speed up or slow down animations, or extend the length of scenes. Experiment with global color adjustments to shift the entire mood of the template. Once satisfied, export your finished video in your desired resolution, such as 16:9 for YouTube, ensuring it's ready for sharing across platforms.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.